In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively present using Canva's features. Whether you're preparing for a business presentation or a school project, understanding how to leverage Canva's presenter tools can take your presentation skills to the next level. Let's get started. First, you'll want to have your design ready in Canva. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can begin the presentation process by heading over to the top right corner of your Canva interface. Here you'll find the Present button. Give it a click. This action will take you to the presentation setup page, where you can choose various advanced settings for your presentation style, depending on what suits your needs best. With the presentation setup page open, the next essential step is to choose the presenter view option. This tool is incredibly beneficial because it not only allows your audience to see the slides, but also gives you, the presenter, additional controls and options. It enhances the way you communicate your message by giving you a separate view of your speaker notes, allowing you to speak more naturally and confidently without losing track of your points. Once you've selected the presenter view, you need to click Present. As soon as you do this, your presentation will go live and you'll step into your role as the presenter. What's great about presenter view in Canva is that it makes multitasking simpler. You can manage your slides on one screen and effortlessly keep track of your notes, which display on the right side. This feature is especially helpful for staying organized and avoiding any awkward pauses during your presentation. The notes on the right side are designed to be your secret weapon while presenting. They won't be visible to your audience, so you can jot down key points, reminders, or even entire scripts to guide your speaking seamlessly. This feature is all about enhancing your confidence and ensuring a smooth delivery, so make full use of it to keep your session engaging and interactive. Remember that practicing your timing and flow in presenter view can also be hugely beneficial. Spending a few moments to rehearse your presentation using this mode will let you gauge how much time you are spending on each slide and allow you to adjust accordingly. This practice can make all the difference in delivering a captivating presentation. In conclusion, using Canva's presentation capabilities, especially the presenter view, is an excellent way to maintain professionalism and command your audience's attention through a seamless and efficient process. Spend some time getting comfortable with these features and they'll undoubtedly help you deliver impactful and memorable presentations. Thank you for watching this guide on how to present effectively using Canva. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they enhance your future presentations.